Check out these gorgeous square art designs, perfect for wall decor or digital displays. Can you believe they were all created with AI? Stick around and I'll show you how to create them on your own. Ready to create stunning frame-worthy art? Today I'm showing you how to design square format wall art using Artisan AI. Whether you're creating for personal decor or professional products, this tool makes it effortless to craft beautiful pieces featuring African American women in any style you can imagine. Hi, I'm Asasi, and welcome to my channel, where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives just like you. Stick around until the end of the video where I have a special gift. Alright, let's dive in. Artisan AI is your digital collaborator in the art world, especially designed to aid sellers like you in creating diverse wall TV art. As you see, there is 4 commands, and we have the square art command, which will create square format art, vertical, landscape, and mockups. Yep, that's right. This tool actually creates mockups that you can use for your art. But in this tutorial, we're going to go over the first command, which is square art. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click the button. And it's going to ask a few questions similar to all of my AI tools. Ask you a few questions to understand what it is that you want. And I am going to make this simple. We're going to just simply put in random square art. I want to showcase how easy it is to create a design. So let's go ahead and see what it gives us. And like I said, this is perfect for Etsy, Shopify, PayHip, anywhere you sell online. And this is beautiful. It provided us with a surreal artwork. And there's nothing to do. I'm going to just go ahead and pop it into Canva. I'm going to show you also, I have a mock-up. I want to say a few, but I have a mock-up that I created with this tool. And I also needed to use Canva as well. But as you see, it has a picture frame. So all I'm going to do is pop that in there and voila. And that's it. Simple. Okay, so let's do another one. And let's go with, let's see. Let's do random square. Let's go with modern abstract. Let's see. And this tool creates various different artwork, modern abstract. Oh, I love that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It did look like it messed up her hand a little bit right there. So I am going to ask it to do it again. But I love that thick texture. I love that. Okay, so let's say try again. Only because it messed up her fingers. And ChatGPT love messing up some fingers. Otherwise, that was beautiful. Okay. That one is cute. Different. So let's go ahead and pop that one in. Copy image. There we go. Lovely. Simple, just like that. And you can put this mock-up on as a, you can put it in a frame or just leave it as is. So let's do another one. And let me go ahead and get This is one. We'll go ahead and get another one ready. I might need to duplicate it. We'll do 2 more. Okay. Random square and modern abstract. There we go. See what creation it comes up with. Okay, it didn't put anyone in there, but this also does more. It does more than just a person as well. It creates various different abstracts. So let's go with, let's try to be a little bit more detailed. Random, modern, abstract. And I'm gonna say, make sure her full hairstyle is showing. Full hairstyle is shown. Okay, that one is nice. Not really feeling the black box, like the border, but it is different. And that's what I love about this particular GPT. It produces unique pieces of art. So let's try again. And I'm going to be a little specific with her hairstyle this time. Random Martin Asperg, make sure full hairstyle is shown. Let's say slick high ponytail. And let's go with a different artwork. Random. And I am going to choose impasto. I love impasto. I love the thick. So let's say random impasto, slick high ponytail. Make sure. Let's see what we get. And I shouldn't have to say square since I did hit the square command. So let's see. Oh, this is nice. Yes. Okay, let's pop this into Canva. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's try a different artwork. Oops. I am going to keep, no, let's do something else. Random. This gold full. I'll let it decide on her hairstyle, but I'm just gonna say make sure her full hairstyle is shown. Is shown. Misspell minimalist. Okay. Another one of my favorite artwork style. Okay. Normally when it gives you 2 responses, I mean one of them is going to be messed up. Okay, well, yeah. I like the second one because it cut off the first one. This one is nice. Don't really care for the thick bordering around, but we're going to choose that one. And I am going to, I for this response. I'm going to ask for the generation ID of this one. Provide for the second image and see if we can recreate another version of this one, but it's pretty, really nice. Okay. Create another version of generation ID. Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's strange. Oh, it didn't give me the correct generation ID because it created another one. So let me see if I can copy and say I need the generation ID for this image, please. Sometimes it'll say, oh, we can give you generation. I knew it was gonna say that from an uploaded file. Okay, wait a minute. I cannot extract it from the, oh, did I say for this? Okay, so it gave it to me anyway. All right. And then make sure that it wasn't the same one. No, it wasn't. Okay. Great. Version of time, no border. No border with a slight difference. And this tool has about 10 different artwork styles. Oh, it still gave me a border. Boo, 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 boo. Okay. So let's just say, I'm gonna do another one, random. Full, oops, full artwork. And then make sure her full hairstyle is shown. Just ask for something completely different. Although you could technically pop that in and remove the border. I just wanted to produce me the perfect image. Somewhat perfect. Oh, that's nice. I love that. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Copy, and let's pop that into here. Oh, let me make sure I said copy image. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so there you have it. We have created, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already did that one. Yeah, we've created 4 beautiful artwork pieces just like that. Simple click of a button, no prompts needed. And I want to thank you for watching. If you've loved this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos showcasing incredible AI tools like Artisan AI. Make sure to check out my next video where I'll be creating vertical format wall art using the same powerful tool. And if you look in the description, you'll be able to download all the images that we made in this video. And as always, let me know in the comments what themes or styles you'd like to see me make next. See you next time.